Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. This just came into the mail and I'm very curious to see what's inside this box. Of course, there's gonna be a DJI Mic 2, but what else is gonna be in here? There's a transmitter itself, a pouch, a clip magnet, windscreen, USB-C charging cable, and some documents. So without further ado, let's just open it up. As you can see, this is still sealed. This is still unopened, and now it's opened. There we go. I bought this microphone specifically to use this together with my new Insta360 X4. So if you want to hear what this microphone records like, you'll see some videos in the near future using these devices. Alright, there we go. So everything that is inside of this box is inside of this pouch, except for a little book. So let's open it up. Okay, this is against water. So there's something in here and something in here. Let's first open this up because I see the microphone already, and I'm very curious to see how big this thing is, or how small it is rather. Let's push it out. Alright, so this is the microphone. This is very tiny. It's a bit bigger than my thumb, and it has this weird clip installed. Okay, it looks like this is magnetic. Okay, and you can clip this onto something. Okay, can I just take this off then? Well, that's a strong magnet. Okay. Well, this magnet is very strong, difficult to get off. Boom, look at that. It's very nice. It's a cool addition to this mic. There's a orange button, probably to start recording. I don't know yet. I haven't used DJI mics yet, so this is just an assumption. This is probably to charge the device and to get data off. Probably a recording light. This is probably again to charge, because this looks like something to charge with. I don't know yet. To put it on and to connect it to something. Okay, and here on top you can put a 3.5mm plug in. I don't know why yet. So let's put it to the side. What else is in this side of the pouch? This is the wind protector. What's it called? Has got a specific name. I'll pull it up on the screen. Oh, I remember. This is a dead cat, I believe. Okay. Okay, this is not a 3.5mm connector. This is to put the dead cat on, I think. Or is it? Yeah, it is a 3.5mm connector. Okay, so multi-purpose. Look at that. I'm almost scared to just push it, but I'll do it anyway. There we go. This looks very neat, very minimalistic. There we go. This is cool. Okay. Oh, can it keep standing? Nope. I'll put it down. What else is in this side? This side is empty for now. Yep. All right. Let's move on to the other side. And in here is the cable to charge it with, and probably to get data off. I Don't know why these things are on here. Usually when you see stuff like this, it's to charge something, but I don't know yet. Guess I'll have to read the manual, although I didn't plan on doing that. But yeah, so that's the unboxing video. If you want to know what it sounds like and maybe a review in the future, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one.